Welcome back to Crypto Warehouse. My name is Mike, and today we finally bring you the news of the ASI token merge. We have alluded to it in a few videos over the last couple of months, and now we have the date. So what we're going to do now in this video is very quickly go through the breaking news, explain what we think is going to happen with price action, where we think the token will go once it is live, and what you need to do if you have Fetch, Singularity or Ocean Protocol tokens in a self-custody wallet or on an exchange. Before we do any of that, can we please ask you to like and subscribe to Crypto Warehouse and help us grow the channel. Now, we've already made two videos about ASI, one 2 months ago when the news was announced, and we made a second video 3 weeks ago where the launch date was announced as May the 24th. As of the recording of this video, it is May the 31st, and it came and passed and nothing happened. And most of the comments on both of these videos were to do with when is it happening and what do I have to do. So without further ado, we're going to go through the two articles that we found and tell you when it's going to happen and what you need to do. 2 days ago then, the news was covered by Decrypt and also by Fetch. We're going to go through both articles to see if there's anything different between the two and tell you when this is going to happen. Remember, if you hold Fetch, if you hold Ocean Protocol, or if you hold AGIX, which is Singularity.net, those tokens will cease to exist in their current form from this date. You will either have them swapped automatically on a centralized exchange, or you will need to manually convert them if you hold them in your MetaMask wallet. So stay tuned to the end of this video and we'll explain what you need to do. So the newly combined ASI token will have a market cap of $5.8 billion based on the token's prices as of May the 28th. This represents the largest open-sourced decentralized network focused on AI. The merger is set to be finalized on June the 13th, and it will rename FET as ASI. The conversion rate will be 1-for-1 with FET. That is not the case for AGIX and Ocean, however. Since each project has a different market cap, different conversion rates have been used. As I've just said, FET will be 1-to-1. AGIX will be 0.4333 to 1, and Ocean will be 0.4332 to 1. So each one has a slightly different conversion rate. ASI will be a combination of all three tokens moving forward. Once this migration is done, then the ASI, the Artificial Super Intelligence Alliance, could be the most important decentralized AI ecosystem in crypto, with a broad range of use cases appealing to large businesses and domestic users. The fusion will offer open, scalable AI infrastructure that leverages blockchain to ensure ethical and trustworthy practices in AI development and deployment. This flies in the face of Microsoft, Google, and OpenAI. With this merger, we're examining three distinct product lines. First is an agentic network with accompanying tools facilitating the development, connection, and deployment of agents in commercial settings. Secondly, focusing on the commercial deployment of neural symbolic LLMs and the framework supporting them, as well as facilitating communication between AI layers, either through agents or directly. And finally, exploring data deployment as an independent solution for data sharing utilization. They are the three missions of this new ASI token and project behind it. Now, as we've mentioned before in previous videos, this is designed to challenge big tech. This is what they're trying to do. Big tech is currently dominating AI. Elon Musk has talked about it, and now these three projects are coming together to try and stop it. Now, very quickly, let's go through the press release on Fetch AI and see if they mention anything different. Bruce Pan from Ocean Protocol founder has said the ASI Alliance is going to be a game changer for Web3 adoption for AI and data. We've worked through a lot of the details to make the process go smoothly, and we look forward to formally launching ASI. Now, for those of you who may not be aware of the full extent of Fetch, Singularity and Ocean, let's very quickly go to CoinMarketCap. On here, you'll be able to search by top AI and data tokens, and it brings up this list. Near Protocol is head and shoulders above everybody else. Most of you will have heard of Render and the Graph. But moving further down, you will see that Fetch is currently at 1.86 billion, Singularity 1.18 billion, and Ocean Protocol coming in at just over $500 million. So they are not small independent projects, they have large market caps, and as we've recently seen, merged together, they will have a market cap of $5.8 billion. This puts ASI into second place behind Near Protocol and above Render. Now, what is important to realize from this merger is this merger will create a token and a project that is bigger than the constituent parts. ASI will become the biggest AI token and overtake Near Protocol. That is my prediction. They will have economies of scale. They will be able to combine projects that they've been working on individually. Singularity and Fetch have already been working on trying to solve the AI hallucination problem. These are not mere amateurs at this game, they are all high-tech experts. So together, I expect this project to break the $10 billion mark. That is not during the height of the bull market. I expect this token to do exceptionally well. But a word of warning, these tokens have merged only probably 1 year to 15 months before the next bull market peak. So this token may not be something that you buy for this bull run, it may be a token that you buy for the next bull run. In terms of price action then, I would expect this token to easily hit $10 billion, if not $12 billion, within a few short months, once Bitcoin gets out of its range of $68,000 to $70,000 and starts to move up. Most alts will start to follow, and I expect ASI to be one of those tokens that outperforms the market over the near and medium term. It is a new project, yes, but it is three old heads coming together. In terms of access to centralized exchanges, it will be everywhere. So I expect great buying power on this token. Now, for those of you that have watched to the end and are wondering what is going to happen with your tokens, if you hold any of those three tokens on a centralized exchange, they will automatically be converted to ASI. You need to do nothing. This token will also exist on multiple chains. Of course, we've just seen that there is an ERC20 version of this token, but this token will be on other platforms and other blockchains. What you will be able to do is go to MetaMask, connect up to Fetch or Ocean or Singularity, and convert your tokens at the rate that we have just described in this video. And that will be open for an indefinite period of time. So do not worry that you are holding FET or AGIX or Ocean in your wallet. You will be able to convert them when you want to. And that really is it. June the 13th is when this is happening. If you are on a centralized exchange, you do not need to do anything. You will get this token automatically. I do expect a 2x of this price within the next month, based on the newness of the project, the hype around it, the press releases. Everything is going to push this token, I believe, above $10 billion. So, if you've watched to the end of this video, please can I ask you one more time to like and subscribe to Crypto Warehouse, help us grow the channel, and you like these kind of news clips, please consider becoming an OG member for a few dollars a month. You, as always, have been great. I have been Mike. Until the next video, goodbye.